Okay, next we need to learn Java. Yeah. So after we learn Java, then we'll come back to Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Yeah. So after Java, then we learn WebDriver, where we learn in more detail, right? So more detailed how to automate web page. So we will learn at that time. Okay. Now let us understand very basics. What is Java? Java is also a
programming language.
Yes. Java is also a programming language. And similar, like what are the other similar languages? C, C++. Yeah, Microsoft language, right? C#, VC++, Python, JavaScript, VB script, Angular, React. Okay, Angular, React. Okay, like that, there are so many languages, right? Go. Oh, if I write, I can write many things. But you understood, right? So there are many other languages, okay, like how Java is there. But Java is similar like C++ and C#. Remember, no, Java programming, C# coding, C++ coding looks similar. Which programming languages looks similar? Java, C++, and C#. Code syntax is almost same. That's why if you know Java, you can do other programs also. Okay, if you know C++, others also is easy for you. Anyone if you learn, other is easy for you to learn. Okay, these three languages, almost the syntax is all same. Next, Java, C++, C#, these are called as object-oriented programming languages.
Oops.
But what is this? I cannot tell you now. Okay, you don't understand at this point of time. After learning Java, then automatically you will understand this. Okay. Yeah, okay, ma. This I don't want to tell now. After you learn Java, then you will automatically understand this. Next, Java there is no license for it. It's an open source language. Okay. And Java is platform independent. So same Java program, we can run on any operating system. That means you write one Java program, you can run same program on any operating system, right? Yeah, same Java program we can run on. Yeah, we can run on any operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris, like that. How it is possible? How it is possible? Do you think that Java will understand Windows operating system? Yeah, please, ma'am. Do you think that Java will understand Windows operating system? No. Do you think that Java will understand? Emma, do you think that Java will understand Mac operating system?
No.
No. Do you think Java will understand Solaris? No. So Java will not understand these operating systems. Okay. So if you understand the Java architecture, these are the libraries in Java, or these are the components in Java. So what are the different components in Java? If you understand, the Java architecture. If you understand Java architecture, okay. Now this is the Java architecture has. Java software has JDK, JRE, and JVM. Yeah, come on. How many components are there in the Java software? JDK. Yeah, that's JDK full form is Java Development Kit. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So these are the three components in Java. Okay. Now, okay, it's very simple concept. If you take your computer, in your computer there are many components, right? Keyboard, internally there is a motherboard, processor, memory, hard disk, different components are there, right?
Yes.
Each component has a different behavior.
Yes, sir.
Why do memory is used? RAM.
To store the data.
RAM is for temporary memory, right?
Yes.
What is the purpose of VGA card? VGA card is to take, display on the monitor, right? VGA, virtual graphic adapter card. In your, in your computer or laptop, internally there is a VGA card. VGA card will take care of how to display on the monitor. Okay. What is the purpose of hard disk? Hard disk is used to store the data, right? Files. Okay, like that. So processor is used to process all the, whatever input to data, right? Whatever events we do, the microprocessor will process it, right? So every component has a different, behavior like that. But now when I write a Java program, and when we run the Java program, For that Java program, some memory need to be allocated.
Yes.
Yeah, when I run a Java program, all of you, when I run a Java program, some memory need to be allocated.
Yes, sir.
Now my Java program should be able to interact with the keyboard or mouse or monitor. It has to interact, right, to display the output like that.
Yes, sir.
So all that runtime, and when I run the Java program, all that management is taken care by JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So JRE will take care of JRE will take care of how to run the program, how to interact with the devices, right, like keyboard, mouse, memory, right? All this management is taken care by JRE, Java Runtime Environment. And a runtime means during runtime running the program, right? That is taken care by JRE. Next one, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, if you take this is a Java program, if I run the Java program in Windows operating system, so Java will not understand Windows operating system. JVM is the one which is like a translator. JVM is a translator, right? Translator, ma. But suppose, okay, for example, for some office purpose, you went to China. You don't know the Chinese language, but there is one more employee in your office who knows Chinese language and your language. He is a translator, right?
Yes.
Yeah, when you speak to some Chinese guy, if you are asking in some language, let's say, okay, your mother tongue language, Telugu. Maybe he doesn't know even Telugu or anything, right? But there is a translator who will convert into Chinese language. And whatever the Chinese person is telling, again, he translate and tell you in Telugu, right? So same way, here JVM is a translator which will take care of communicating between Java program and operating system. Now, here also JVM will take care of how to communicate between Java and Mac, between Java and Linux. The JVM will take care of. So now, how Java is platform independent? Because of
JVM.
Very good. So because of JVM. So Java is platform independent because of JVM. So JVM is the translator which will communicate between Java program and operating system. This is okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now JDK library has many built-in classes. JDK library has many built-in existing classes which are used to develop Java, applications. Okay. Now developers will use JDK library and develop programs. JDK has a library to develop programs. JRE will take care of runtime environment. JVM is a translator, right, to communicate with the operating system. Okay. Yeah. So they understood, all of you, what is these three components of Java?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So come on, what are the three components of Java?
JDK, JRE,
JVM.
JDK, JRE, and then
JRE, JVM.
JVM. So which component will do the translation between the Java program and operating system?
JVM.
So JRE will take care of runtime environment. Okay, right? Yeah.
JVM. It is
JRE, runtime environment. Okay. Now understand, here I said JDK, Java JDK is a library. Yeah, can you read this sentence, all of you? Java JDK is a library. So what is library means? No, library. Now, when you say in a college, library means it's a collection of books, right?
Yes, sir.
In a college like the library is a collection of books. But in software terminology, library means it's a collection of classes. Remember, like in software terminology, in software terminology, library means collection of
class.
Software terminology. Library is a collection of, okay. Actually, library is a collection of packages. Inside packages, we have classes. Remember, a library is a collection of packages. Packages has
Classes.
What does the classes has? Classes has
Methods.
Remember, classes has methods. Okay. So now this is the hierarchy. A library is a collection of, remember these things, man. Okay, library is a collection of packages. Packages has classes. Classes has methods. Okay, remember these things. Okay. Now, actually, in Java, remember in Java, a program is a class actually. Suppose in Java, if I ask you to write a program, if I ask you to write a program in Java, that means first you write a class. You create a class, that's all. Inside a class, you write all the coding. Okay, inside a class, you write a coding. So in Java, one program is nothing but one
Class.
Okay, in Java, especially in Java, one program is nothing but one class. Okay, so package has programs. That's what package has, nothing but classes. Classes has methods. Okay. Now, if I say JDK library means it's a collection of so many built-in classes. Okay, right. So now this is the architecture of Java: JDK, JRE, and then JVM. So because of JVM, Java is platform independent. Okay, right. In the next, so using Java JDK library, we can develop software applications. Using Java JDK library, we can develop applications. Next, another point I told, Java library is a collection of classes, right? Actually, there is a package. Inside a package, we have classes. And one more thing, Java is a software, right? Java software itself is developed using which programming languages? Using C and C++. Java software itself is developed using C and C++. That's why whatever C features are available in Java. Okay, so that's why, okay, C, C++, all, okay, I can say C, C++ features are available in
Java.
So whatever C features all are available in the Java. Okay, right. So now I think these points are understood, right? There are other languages. Java is similar like C++ and C#. Okay, JDK, what does the Java library has? JDK, JRE, and then JVM, right? Yeah. And Java is platform independent. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, on any operating system. Is okay, right? Yeah. And this is the history of Java. The first version of Java was introduced in 1996. Oh, 1996 means, I think, I don't know, some of you might not have born also, right?
Sir, you wrote in the MO lines, Java is not a software application.
I will come to that point. This I have not come. I will come to that. No problem.
Yeah, okay.
So I think some of you have not born also, right? 1996. So Java first version was released in 1996, and the father of Java was James Gosling. He is the father of Java, who created Java programming in a company called Sun Microsystems. But this company was taken over by Oracle now. So this company was later it is merged with Oracle. So now the Java is a software from which company now? Now at present Java is from Oracle, right? Yeah. And initially when Java was introduced, okay, Java, using Java, the purpose of Java was, initially the purpose of Java was to write programs for electronic devices. Right? TV remote, TV remote, or your AC remote, refrigerators, or you take washing machines. They are all having programming right inside the devices. Washing machine, we can set the timing, and we can set the timing, right?
Sure.
Yeah,
Yes,
TV
sir.
also you can operate with a remote, right? Volume, channels, you can operate with remote.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, AC system, you can increase the temperature, decrease temperature, on, off using the remote, right?
Yes.
Sure.
That means there is a programming written in that electronic devices, right? Printers, even printers, man. Printer, you can take a print, and the printer, you can tell how many copies you want, one side or two sides, or color, or black and white. See, all these electronic devices, they have programs right inside them. Yeah, so Java was used to write programs for these electronic devices. Okay, but in Java 1.2, when they released it in 1999, when they released Java 1.2, so from this year it became more popular. The reason is, in Java they added a features that using Java we can develop web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications. Okay, we can develop these kind of technology applications also using Java. Understood, ma? Initially Java was used only for writing programs for
Electronic device.
But now Java we can use for writing programs for electronic devices as well as
Developing web
as well as
applications.
web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications.
Yes.
Oh, so many applications we can develop using Java. Okay, I think you know some of the softwares. I'll tell you very popular softwares. Have you heard about any softwares like some of the softwares like anything like, okay, if you know, right, all of AWS?
Yes, sir. Amazon Web Service.
Amazon Web Service, right? AWS is a cloud service provider, right?
Yes, sir.
That cloud technology completely is developed using Java. All of you, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a very popular CRM product, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
This itself is developed using Java. Salesforce works on Java. Oh, like that, if I tell many technology applications, not only AWS, Salesforce, if you talk about, your Gmail systems, Gmail software, Google, internally, all the softwares are developed using Java. See, that's why today, more than 80% of technology, your Android, your phone Android OS is there, right? Yeah, your mobile, right? Android OS.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Android OS itself is developed using Java. So that's why in the market today, more than 80% of technologies works on Java. So that's why Java is very popular in the market. Okay. Yeah. This is okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next. So if you want to practice Java, so you need to install Java in your computer. Yeah. Emma, to practice Java, what you need to do? So first you have to install Java in your computer. Okay. So you can go to the Google and search for download Java JDK. Emma, search for download Java JDK. So you can go to this Oracle website, all of you. Yeah, please, you can go to this Oracle website. So here you can choose, latest what is the Java? We have 19, right?
Yes, sir.
So before 19, we have Java 17. Yeah, Java 19 will receive an update, after March, maybe, after this month, you will get JDK 20. So what we will do is that better you go, because JDK 17 will be there for till next year. 17 will be there for till next year, but 19 is automatically going to change it to 20 after this month, right? So that's why better you go with Java 17. Yeah, which version you choose, Java? 17. Yeah, from here, if you see here, see, there is a different Java for different operating system, right? Emma, this is a Java for Linux. This is a Java for Mac. This is Java for Windows. Now I'm asking, no, I want you to understand. Is there only one Java? Is there only one Java for all operating systems?
No. Yes.
Yes, all of you. Is there only one Java for all operating systems, or different Java for different operating systems?
One Java for operating systems.
No, there is a different Java, right? But this Java is only for Windows. Yeah, but you want for Mac. Oh, for Mac you need a different Java, right here. For Linux you need a different Java. Yes. You see, right? For different operating system there is a different Java, right? Hello.
One different type of Java.
So for different operating system you have different Java. Why like this? Because if you see here, this JVM is there, right? This JVM. Can you see all of you this image? This JVM can translate only between Java and Windows operating system. Yes. This JVM will understand only Windows. This JVM will understand only Mac. This JVM will understand only Linux. So that means there is a different JVM for different
Yes.
OS. So there is a different JVM for different operating systems. All of you, there is a different JVM for different
Operating
systems. That is why we have different Java for different operating systems. Okay, that means now you should understand this point. Java software is not a
application.
Okay, this is different point. Okay, Java is not a software application. And here I want to tell you one more point. What is that? Java software is not a software application, and it is platform dependent, and it is platform dependent. See, Java software is platform dependent, but Java program is independent. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If this is your Windows operating system, this is Mac operating system, this is Linux operating system. Now here you have a Java for Windows. Here you have Java for Mac. Now here you have Java for Linux. That means now there is a different Java for different operating system, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you write a Java program, if you write a Java program, yeah, the same Java program you can run on Windows, you can run on Mac, you can run on Linux. But now Java program is
Independent. Platform
independent. But whereas Java software is
dependent.
Software is platform dependent. So I think you understand this Terminology, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
one
sir.
and this one. Yeah. So Java program is independent, but software is dependent. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So please let me know any questions in this basic introduction. Okay. So Java is a programming language, and which is similar like what are the other similar languages? C++ and C#. And Java software itself is developed using C and C++, right? And these are the current versions of Java. And which version you install in your computer? Java 17. Yeah, tell me what is the steps. If you want to install Java, what is the steps?
JDK.
Yeah,
Nice.
first you go to the Google, right, and search for what is that?
Download Java JDK.
Download Java JDK. Yeah, download Java JDK. Go to the Oracle website. Oracle website. Yeah, so from here you choose the link what you call Java 17. In that again, which operating system? Windows, right? Windows. In this, you select there is an exe file, right? This is second one. All of you bin exe, right? The second one. You download this file. Okay, download this file and you can install it. Do one thing. Once you download, right? Yeah. So once you download the exe file, double click on it. What I'm saying is, what is that I'm asking you? Double click on it, right? Yeah, yes, ma. Double click on it, and you say what you call next. You follow the next. That's all. You just follow next. That's all. Don't do any of the options. Don't choose anything. You say double click on it. It will ask you want to install it. Yes. Say next. It will install the Java in your system. That's all. Now, how do you check Java is available in your computer or not? You go to C drive, program files. Here you should see Java. C drive, program files, Java. Here you can find JDK 17, right? That's all. So where will you check Java in your computer? C drive, program files, Java, and you see that JDK 17 is available. Okay, right? Yeah. So to practice Java, what you have to do first? Come on, what will you do? First you download. Java JDK, right? 17 version. And install. Okay. Where will you find Java? After installation, you will find Java and C:/
Program files.
/Java. In that you should see JDK 17, right? Yeah. Fine. So you can follow the steps and you can install. Next. So where we should write Java programs and execute? Where we should write Java programs and execute? And execute or run, right? Yeah, where should we do that? So for this, so we have different editors. We have different editors. So we have editors like Eclipse IDE, okay, IntelliJ, VS Code, like that we have editors. Emma, what are the different editors where we can write programs and run the programs?
Eclipse IDE.
Yeah, Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ, VS Code. So we have different editors are there. So all are very popular in the market. All these three are popular. Okay, all these three are very popular. Okay, all these three are very popular in the industry. Okay, Eclipse, so IntelliJ. Oh, there are many people who use IntelliJ. There are many projects where they use VS Code also. Okay, but we will use Eclipse IDE in our training. Okay, maybe one day I will show you how to configure IntelliJ and how to configure VS Code also. I will show, but don't worry. Later sometime I will show you how to configure IntelliJ and VS Code. But we will use Eclipse IDE. Okay,